Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I shall get to it. Another page that there's one particular that I really like is this drawing. This I still quite like, but this one it didn't quite go right. The position of the eyes and nose and mouth are all completely wrong, and this part of the cheekbone should have been more tapered in. So this is where the good speed creating the feedback loop is really important, because I know where I went right for this one, but where I went wrong for this one. So having that information is vital for you to then improve and basically improve your foundational sketching skills, which is proportions, ratios, structure, layout, everything. So yeah, learning morning, and it's 2 out of 3, specifically this one. I really like this one. Let me know what you think, and I shall get back to you. Bye!